Welcome to our beginner's guide to social media marketing. In today's digital age, social media has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. In this video, we will cover the basics of social media marketing and provide you with some valuable tips to get started. So, let's dive in. First, let's discuss the different social media platforms you can use for marketing purposes. There are several popular platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Each platform has its unique features and audience demographics. It's crucial to choose the platforms that align with your target audience and business goals. Once you have selected the platforms you'll focus on, it's time to create your social media strategy. Start by defining your objectives. What do you want to achieve through social media marketing? Is it increased brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or generating leads? Clearly defining your goals will help you tailor your content and measure your success effectively. The next step is to create engaging and relevant content. Always keep your target audience in mind. What kind of posts, images, or videos would resonate with them? Experiment with different content formats to see what works best for your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting quality content will help you stay top of mind with your followers. Now, let's talk about measuring the effectiveness of your efforts. Most social media platforms offer analytics tools that provide valuable insights into your post's performance. Monitor metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions to understand what's working and what needs improvement. This data will guide your future strategy and allow you to make informed decisions. Social media is not just about broadcasting your message, it's also about building relationships. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and reviews. Show appreciation for their support and address any concerns promptly. Engaging with your followers will help foster trust and loyalty. Another effective strategy is collaborating with influencers. These are individuals with a significant following and influence in your industry. Partnering with them can expose your brand to a wider audience and improve your credibility. Research and reach out to relevant influencers who align with your brand values to create mutually beneficial partnerships. Lastly, let's talk about organization and planning. Creating a social media calendar will help you stay consistent and organized. Plan your content in advance, schedule posts, and allocate time for engagement and monitoring. Also, don't forget to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in social media algorithms to maximize your reach. Congratulations! You have learned the basics of social media marketing. Remember to choose the right platforms, define your objectives, create engaging content, measure your success, engage with your audience, collaborate with influencers, and stay organized. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful social media presence for your business.